So as some of you may know, my car is broke down. And the problem is this little tiny piece right here. As you can see, the end of it, one of the prongs on the plug has corroded out and it's broken off inside right in here, right there. That's where it's broke off, inside at. So it's part of a I forget what it's called. It's like a starter module or starter ignition module or something like that. I gotta look it up on the internet again. But yeah, that's the entire problem with it right now, why it won't start. So I gotta fix it. This part itself, a new one, only costs less than $50. So it's not an expensive fix, or at least it's not an expensive part. The issue is getting in here with some needle nose pliers or a file of some sort, something to get the broken prong out so I can put the new plug in. So imagine basically having an outlet in your house, and normally you would plug something into it, but whatever you're plugging into it, one of the prongs broke off in the outlet. It's sort of like that. So as you can see, I've taken the battery out. That way I don't electrocute myself, because I've electrocuted myself probably 50 times in my life, and it's never been any fun any of those times. With a nail in here. Found a little nail. But I've taken the battery out. The battery's sitting over here on the ground. And yeah, that's the dilemma I'm facing right now. And I've got to figure out how to get to that down there. Most people say you have to take the front bumper off. I'd rather not do that if I don't have to. When I hit the deer this past winter, there was originally a shroud here, which I've got that up here in my driver's seat, right here. When I hit the deer, it cracked the shroud and it ripped off. So normally you'd have to take the front bumper off to access this, but with the shroud missing, with any luck, I can try and get back in here into this. I don't know if maybe I can go from the top down or not. I think I have to remove the headlight to do that, because it seems to be directly under the headlight rather than underneath where the battery was. I only disconnected the battery so I don't electrocute myself. I'd rather not remove the bumper to do it, but yeah, that's my issue right now. Once I can get access to this and get that little tiny broken prong out of there, I can just take the new plug and plug it in, and it should start right up. So yeah, that's my issue right now. For those curious, this is some more damage that was done from the deer that I hit. It was a little deer. It was tiny. It wasn't any taller than my bumper, but it was enough force to push this all back, right, and cause this dent here along the seam of the door, which I'm not too concerned about that. It's just a cosmetic issue. But this I have to get fixed. And I'm imagining the entire reason why it got corroded is probably due to weather, because that shroud was broken and it wasn't able to protect this. or it could have just been bad. This is a 2010 Dodge Caliber, and apparently these vehicles are known for having these pieces corrode inside of them. So I've already pulled this plug out and checked it, this one back here, and it's not corroded. I haven't pulled these out yet to see if these are corroded yet. But I mean, everything seems to be working fine other than this one tiny issue right here. So as soon as I can get access to this to remove that part of that broken prong, I should be able to put a new one in there, a new plug in there, and get it going. So yeah, that's the problem right now. And that's one of my projects I'm working on this vehicle. That way I can get it ready for travel next year. As you can see, there's more loose broken shroud over here from the deer as well. I thought about removing the tire, but I don't really need to remove the tire to get at this. It's more I need to remove the bumper, but I really would rather not remove the bumper, because that's just going to be an entire huge headache and hassle. I've looked, and it looks like there's only a few bolts here up at the top of the bumper on the inside. I don't know if you can see from the video, but yeah, that's the issue that I'm facing right now. So just thought I would update everyone. I haven't done anything for road wrestling in a while, and I figure that this was that car maintenance is see, you can see how loose the shroud is here too. But I figure car maintenance is definitely worthy of a road wrestling video. So yeah, that's what we're facing off with right now, and what I'm trying to get handled. See ya.